What if your home was not just a place to live, but a spa that healed your body and mind? 24. Imagine stepping inside, and stress simply melting away, because your house is designed to make you feel amazing. Right now, wellness is temporary. You book a massage, attend a yoga class, or escape for a spa day, only to return to the same stresses, the same environment, the same cycle. Homes today offer shelter, but they don't heal. They protect you from the weather, but not from weariness. That's all about to change. In the next decade, your house will become an active partner in your well-being. It will continuously fight stress, deepen your sleep, balance your emotions, and renew your energy, all without you lifting a finger. Imagine a space that responds to your fatigue with calming light, your tension with soothing soundscapes, and your low energy with invigorating ambience. This isn't just smart living, it's healing living. Your home will function like a full-time therapist and luxury spa combined, seamlessly integrated into your daily life. The future of wellness isn't a place you visit, it's the place you live. We spend thousands on spa weekends, wellness retreats, and therapy centers, all for just a few fleeting hours of relaxation before returning to our stressful realities. But the future is shifting that paradigm entirely. It's about integrating deep, continuous wellness directly into your daily life. By 2030, AI-powered homes will transform every corner of your living space into a personalized sanctuary. Your walls will set the mood, your air will carry calming scents, your lighting will align with your circadian rhythm, and even your furniture will adapt to support your body and mind. Everything will be intelligently designed to heal, soothe, and rejuvenate you every single day. Today, we're stepping beyond the concept of an occasional escape. We are entering the ultimate 24/7 AI wellness spa, your very own home. The moment you step inside, your AI home is already reading you. It scans your face, detecting subtle micro-expressions and energy levels you might not even recognize yourself. If it senses you're tired, the air gently fills with a calming lavender mist. If it detects anxiety, soft, flowing music begins to ease your mind. Without a word spoken, your stress starts melting away before you've even reached the living room. This is more than convenience, it's care. It's a home that doesn't just welcome you, it understands you. Forget endless Netflix binges, your living room now transforms into an immersive mindfulness center with a single command. Instantly, the AI shifts the lighting into soft, flowing Zen patterns. A lifelike holographic yoga instructor appears right before you, guiding your breath and movement with serene precision. The very walls around you dissolve into a vast, calming ocean horizon, with gentle waves rolling in rhythm with your meditation. In this space, distraction fades and focus sharpens. Stress doesn't just lessen, it doesn't stand a chance. This is entertainment redefined, not to escape life, but to reconnect with it. Every night becomes a personalized retreat. Your AI sleep system continuously monitors your sleep cycles, intuitively adjusting mattress firmness to support your posture and ease tension. Soothing binaural beats play at just the right frequency to guide your brain into deep, restorative rest. Around you, the walls themselves transform, fading into a soothing starry sky or a tranquil, moonlit forest, immersing you in an environment designed for total peace. You don't just sleep, you recharge. You wake up feeling genuinely renewed, refreshed, and ready to embrace the day. This is how tomorrow's home heals you tonight. Your bathroom is no longer just functional, it's a daily therapeutic retreat. AI-powered showers intuitively adjust water temperature and pressure to target tired muscles, melting away physical tension. Smart tubs go beyond bubbles, releasing customized mineral and aromatherapy blends that speed up recovery and soothe inflammation. Even your mirror becomes a wellness tool, projecting calming affirmations or serene guided meditation visuals while you brush your teeth, turning routine into recentering. Every moment is an opportunity to restore body, mind, and spirit without ever leaving home. This is self-care, seamlessly embedded into your life. Your meals are no longer just meals, they're an essential part of your personalized wellness plan. Smart kitchen counters detect your body's real-time needs through subtle biosensors and suggest tailored recipes, whether you need an energy boost, mood lift, or deeper sleep. From nutrient-rich smoothies to calming teas and even targeted aromatherapy drinks, every beverage is auto-prepared by silent, precise robotic systems. You don't just eat, you heal, you balance, you thrive. This is food as functional medicine, served effortlessly, every single day. Need a break? Just say the word. Your AI home instantly activates personalized wellness modes tailored to your mood. Forest retreat mode: the room fills with the soft glow of lush greenery. The air becomes oxygen-rich and crisp, accompanied by gentle, immersive bird songs that make you feel miles away from everything. Zen temple mode: warm, flickering candlelight ambience soothes the space. Soft, harmonic chanting tones resonate at a calming frequency, while the floors radiate a gentle, comforting heat beneath your feet. Ocean escape mode: a refreshing sea breeze mist fills the room. Lifelike holograms of rolling, crashing waves surround you, while the air carries a subtle, renewing salt therapy essence. Your home transforms into your personal sanctuary. No reservation, no flight ticket, and no stress required. Your workout space transforms on demand. Floor panels seamlessly become responsive treadmills. Walls display guided meditation and stretching sequences, and holographic AI trainers adjust intensity in real time to challenge you safely. Post-workout, the room shifts again. Recovery lighting stimulates muscle repair while targeted sound therapy accelerates healing. Every session is personalized, efficient, and designed to maximize results without risk, making your home the most advanced gym and recovery center you'll ever own. Every second, your home is silently watching out for you. It's constantly detecting rising stress, hidden fatigue, or dips in your energy, and responding instantly. Before you even recognize you're overwhelmed, the environment shifts, lights soften, calming scents drift through the air, and soothing sounds ease your mind. It's a seamless, real-time reset for your mood and mind. No appointments, no effort, just continuous care. Living here is like having a 24/7 personal spa that not only pampers you, but truly knows exactly what you need, the moment you need it. If your home could give you one spa treatment every day, what would you pick? A massage, a Zen forest, or ocean waves? Let me know in the comments. Here's the ultimate truth: your future home won't just be smart, it'll be healing. Stress won't have a chance to pile up. Fatigue won't control your life. Instead, from the moment you wake to the moment you rest, your home will actively reset you, calming your mind, rejuvenating your body, and uplifting your spirit. It's health built into your walls, your air, your very life. Because the greatest luxury of the future isn't convenience, it's wellness on demand. So, your future home isn't just walls and a roof. It's a full-time spa. A therapist, a trainer, a healer, all built into your daily life. This is not science fiction, it's already in development. If you're ready to live in a 24/7 AI wellness spa, like, share, and subscribe. Because the future of homes is the future of healing. Next up, is this the world's first AI wellness home, 2035 prototype? Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this one.